Crunchy beer bread is so delicious and it's hard to believe it's made only for 2 ingredients. It's so simple to prepare and you won't even have to get your hands dirty. Turn on the oven to 190 degrees, prepare 470 grams of salt freezing flour, sift the flour into a large bowl, add a pinch of salt and mix all the dry ingredients. Take a good quality beer you like to drink, pour 355 ml of beer into the bowl and mix all the ingredients well until you get thick and elastic batter. Grease the bread pan with a little bit olive oil, dust a little bit of flour into the bread pan, remove all the unnecessary excess and transfer the batter to the mold. To make sure that the batter is even out in the baking pan, take a fork, dip it in water and start spreading the batter. When the batter sticks to the fork, dip it in water again and continue. When the oven is reached 190 degrees, put the baking pan into the oven and bake for 45 minutes. To add a twist to the bread, take the bread out of the oven and brush it nicely with almond milk. Sprinkle a little bit of flour and return the bread to the oven for another 5 minutes. Take the bread out of the oven and let it rest for about an hour. Then slice the beer bread. It's going great with any dip, but for me, pesto is the perfect dip for it. And now give it a go.